good afternoon. So today I'm going to share to you the importance of using a mascara on our face. So this would be a series of eye color makeups, including the brows, the how to put on the eyeshadows, the eyeliners. But this afternoon I will feature specifically the importance of the waterproof lash lengthening mascara of Mary Kay. So as you learn this afternoon, you will learn some tips and tricks on how to lengthen your eyelashes. So like me, I have a very short lashes, no? So, and alam naman natin lahat na karamihan ng kababaihan, especially for special occasions, di ba naglalagay ng mga false lashes or sometimes nagpapalagay talaga ng lashes. So like me, when I travel last February, nagpa-lashes talaga ako kasi you know, if there's a poll, no, kung magbutuhan for the most popular makeup product, mascara is hindi siya nawawala when it comes to makeups, no? Hindi pwede mawala si mascara. Bakit? Because this is an essential part of looking good, no, sa kababaihan, especially sa mga eyes nila. Some women actually kahit walang eye color, basta naka-curlash yan siya, bongga na yung beauty niya. So that's why how mascara affects our look, no? So remember, the mascara has a long history dating back to ancient Egyptian era, no? So before, it was originally a kind of a pressed cake, but now ang mascara natin is in a lotion formula with an applicator. Okay, so like this, diba? So noon pala, it's like a pressed cake. So may one tayo, diba? So it's like a pressed cake in a lotion formula ngayon. So the reason for the enduring popularity of the mascara, because mascara has a number of benefits. So it instantly add thickness to our lashes, the length, and of course the color to the lashes, which draws attention. Yun nga, it will draw attention to the eyes and creates definition. Though there are many positive attributes, there are also short-term and long-term issues that may present also. So that's why you need also to consider the brand of the mascara that you are using. So there are short-term issues. So ano ito? Mascara can cause infection sa mukha, sa eyes mo. Bakit? If you use infections caused by old mascara. So you should know, even the most expensive brands, you should know that every mascara has an expiration date. Okay? Dapat alam nyo yan. Before you buy a product, alamin niyo yung expiration date. So, unfortunately, a lot of people continue to use them even na-expire na yung mascara. Remember, ladies, our eyes is one of the most sensitive part, di ba? So, ilang months lang ba dapat gamitin yung mascara natin? So, mascara, once it is open in the air, okay, 3 months lang. So, dapat gamitin nyo talaga to every day for 3 months kung hindi nyo gusto masayang yung binili niyo. Kaya once open, and then ginamit nyo lang once or twice in a month, and then naabutan na ng 3 months, in short, itapon nyo na yung mascara nyo. Why? Because, women who use, mascara more than 3 months, 86% of women will experience, ito yon siya, can lead to issues like pink eye, yun, namumula yung mata, or inflammatory conditions. So, It could cause inflammation sa mata ninyo. Okay? So, to avoid these infections, pay attention sa mascara ninyo, especially sa expiry nito. Okay? So, remember, once open ang mascara, use only for 3 months. Now, how about another short-term issue is that, yun nga, second, ito yung isa sa common problems ng mga kababaihan. You have heard it a lot of times na take your makeup before bed. So, yung mga natutulog diretsyo na hindi kinukuha yung eye mascara nila. So, what is the tendency na mangyayari sa mata ninyo? So, it may seem not important to someone to remove makeup, but in Mary Kay, we are always taught to remove makeup before you sleep. Why? Because it causes also aging, no? Premature aging sa face mo. Especially that is the long-term effect. Okay? Later natin yan pag-usapan. Anong mangyayari, possible mangyayari sa lashes mo pag hindi mo siya kinuha? Especially you are using a waterproof mascara. So, it could cause, no, stiffness sa, sa mag-stiff, in short, mugahi, no, di ba, ang imuhang lashes, and can cause breakage. Okay, so yun nga, napuputol yung buhok. Okay, so that is the short-term issues. For the long-term issues na nag-effect, no, sa pag hindi maganda ang mascara na ginamit mo, okay, the lashes the mascara can cause also brittleness on your hair, especially if you keep on using eyelash curlers. Okay. The eyelash curlers will unfortunately cause breakage and lash damage. No? That is the reality. Kaya, as much as possible, hindi din everyday mag-curl lash. Okay? So, people who curl their lashes, no, once a day, or more, kasi sometimes yung ibang kababayan nagre-retouch pa sila, no? Sa isang araw, twice sila nagre-retouch ng magko-curl lash sila, 'di ba? Is prone to lash loss or brittle texture. So, iwasan natin ngayon maggamit ng curl lash or lash curlers na halos everyday or twice a day. So, it could be once or twice a week only. Okay? Or special occasions. Pwede siya. So, ang second long-term issue na pwedeng mangyari sa effect sa lashes ninyo if hindi ninyo nalinis. Connection ito siya sa yung kanina na before you sleep, you have to wash off your makeup, di ba? So, ang tendency kasi, if you do not use the oil-free eye makeup remover of Mary Kay, ang tendency, ginapull mo yung eye area mo, ginatag mo siya, okay? So, no one wants to look older, okay, than at your age. Lahat tayo gusto younger looking, no? Pero bakit si mascara mag-cause ng premature aging pag hindi nalinisan ng mabuti? Ang tendency kasi, okay, if you pull or tug or rub your skin, ginaganyan mo palagi because hindi masyado, especially the waterproof, kasi nga waterproof siya, matagal siya makuha sa tubig. That's why partner din ito is really the oil-free makeup remover. So, if you use only plain water, it can cause the sensitive skin around the eye area. Remember, the skin around our eye area is the most thinnest, pinakanipis na balat sa buong body natin is the eye area. That's why hindi natin siya ginatag o ginaganyan-ganyan. So, ang gina-instruct gani natin palagi dito, patting lang, di ba? Patting. Okay? So, if you keep on tugging or pulling your eye area, di ba, gamascara ka, And then, pagkagabi, ginatag mo siya, ginaganyan-ganyan mo siya. So, the tendency will create fine lines, dito, the crow's feet. And at the same time, it will create puffiness on your eye area. So, isa din pala siya nagkukos ng puffiness, no? And break blood vessels. So, when removing the last remains of your mascara, you have to always be gentle, no? Gentle in removing your mascara. Now, I'm going to feature to you the benefits. Ano yung features, main features ng Mary Kay Waterproof Lash Lengthening Mascara. Okay? So, this mascara will defines and delivers volume lashes. It strengthens and conditioning. Okay? Without an overdue look. So, magaan siya sa tingnan. At the same time, magaan talaga siya ang feeling. It is unique sculptured brushes. Pakita ko sa inyo. It has short and small brushes suitable for sensitive skin and contact lens wearers. Okay, fragrance-free, ophthalmologist tested. So, in case na matouch konti sa mata, hindi siya mag-cause ng irritation kasi nga ophthalmologist tested ang mascara ng Mary Kay. And it is flake, smudge, and clump resistant. So, the Lash Love mascara, we call this the Lash Love Waterproof Mascara. It is a mascara you definitely love. Bakit? Aside sa waterproof version, it's a waterproof, it provides volume. So, sana makita niyo ngayon ang effect. Hindi ako nagmascara. I will have a demo on my one eye only. Okay? The unique, flexible, sculptured brushes will separate and coats even the hard to reach areas, no? Yung mga lashes ko. Okay? So, ano yung key ingredient nito? It has a registered exclusive product na ingredient, Panthenol Pro Complex and vitamin E. Okay? Exclusive sa Mary Kay that help moisturize, strengthens, and conditions the lashes and help defend against breakage. So, yung mascara natin hindi magkukos ng breakage sa lashes natin. And this will give us a natural, flawless, soft, and healthy look. So, ang application ngayon, ito na yon. Okay. Pull the wand. Hindi natin kailangan i-balik-balik. Okay? Or i-swirl. All you have to do, pull it out. Okay? And then, remove the excess. Place the brush at the base of the lashes and sweep from root to tip. Okay? Pakita ko ngayon sa inyo. For longer looking, I have another tip for you. So, can you spot, no? Tingnan niyo ha. So, I will apply now. Para may from the root to the tip. So nagtaas na siya. So ituyok-tuyok niyo lang yung dito para So, for thicker lashes, no? Sa baba. Ngayon, meron akong tip galing sa product hack namin. Although, nalaman ko na yan before pa. Okay. So, lagyan natin. Nakita niyo ba ang difference? Tumaas ba? Para magtaas pa siya, lagyan natin ng translucent powder using an angle brush. Lagyan natin ng powder. If you want, especially me no, na medyo maliit nga yung lashes ko, lagyan nyo ng powder and then brush it off again. So, ang translucent kasi, manipis to siya masyado. Totoo talaga, nagkapal, no? Kumapal and tumaas. So this will give you a natural look. For the mascara. Okay? Especially now na nagmamask karamihan yung mga working people, you put on the emphasis on your eyes. Can you see now the difference? Sige Dabi, magpikit ako. Can you see? Okay, so ganyan lang kabilis. Naklaro ko na ang ano. Ganyan lang kabilis mag-mascara. And then, the common claims no and benefits sa survey na ginawa ng Mary Kay to independent research study. Women find out that after wearing the mascara for 7 days, no, majority of women said it lasted for the whole day without flaking or smear. So 90% of women said na hindi siya nag-smear, hindi siya nag-flake. 90% of women said that the lashes look defined and felt naturally and not heavy, which is true. Okay, hindi siya heavy. Makita niyo ba na nagkapal siya? Nagkapal siya pero hindi siya heavy ang feeling. Okay? 89% women said that the lashes look lifted and 85% women said that the lashes were separated and look multiplied. Kaya nga, tingnan nyo. Nakita ko talaga, kumapal siya, di ba? Kumapal siya at tumaas. Compare sa kabila. Okay? Makita nyo ba? No? Makita nyo yung difference? So, ganyan kaganda ang mascara ng Mary Kay. And, very safe, no? Kasi nga ophthalmologist tested. So, as you can see, the products is very easy to apply. And you have some tips na natutunan na you put on the powder if you want to have more volume, more length. So, try our waterproof lash lengthening, waterproof mascara. It lengthens, it adds volumes, it's waterproof, At the same time, long-lasting for the eyes. You don't need to put on your false eyelashes. So, kung may mga special occasions, if you want to really curlash it, you can curlash it, but it's not good for everyday use. Okay, so, if you don't have a beauty consultant, all you have to do, contact me. But if you have a beauty consultant, contact them. If you love to try our waterproof mascara, it's a Love Lash Lengthening Mascara. You don't need to put on the false eyelashes. Just have your own product in Mary Kay. So, thank you everyone. I hope you learned some tips and you see the difference on my lashes. I'll review now, okay, later the lashes because I cannot see my video, okay, later I will check on this. If you love to order this to your beauty consultant. Call them now and take note, 3 months lang ang expiry nito para maiwasan ang infection sa mata. So it's a very affordable mascara. Love your eyes, especially now that you need to wear mask, so the attention is all in the eyes. So makita mo talaga, no, na mas mataas, mas makapal ang lashes, no? It's a natural looking. So wag kayong kaya nga halata yung mga false eyelashes, di ba? Kasi halata siya na ganyan palagi. Fix. So this is our natural eyes, natural lashes. If you use the lashes, no, effective, safe for daily use, and mabilisan lang talaga. So that's all for this afternoon. So like and share my videos. It's all informational for your guests and all. Ang ganda, nakita ko na. Okay? So thank you.